وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to Medina Book 3. Inshallah, we'll be doing our class 55 today. So continuing our lesson number 16. So just to give you a quick recap what we're doing in this lesson. We're doing form 2 of the fi'l thulathi mazid fihi, which is fa'ala, and we will remember with the bab tafa'ilun. So what are we going to see in this lesson? So just move this aside. What we're going to do is we're going to identify all the forms of the form 2, which is madi, mudari', amr, masdar, ism fa'il and ism maf'ul. So we're going to see everything and how it is constructed in the sentences. So it is just to give you again a recap. Fa'ala, madi, yufa'ilu, mudari', fa'il is amr, taf'ilun or taf'ilatun if it is mahmuz, al-lami or it is naqis, that is a masdar, and ism fa'il will be mufa'ilun and ism maf'ul will be mufa'alun. And another thing we need to remember is that ism zaman or ism makan will be on the pattern of mufa'alun, which is ism maf'ul. So with this one, let's quickly go to the lesson. Al-Mudarris. So again, this is a teaching class. So Dr. Abdul Rahim himself is presenting as a teacher here. He is telling now, Ya Abdus Salam. So why we have Abdus Salam? Because it is mudaf ilayhi. So we know when Ya comes together, mansoob. Uhanni'uka. So what is uhanni'uka? So hanna'a, yuhanni'u, that is your form 2, to congratulate. So uhanni'u, I congratulate. Congratulate whom? Ka is your maf'ulun bihi. I congratulate you. Bifawzika. So what is bifawzika? So B is your harf jar, fawzun is your masdar for faza yafuzu, success. So I congratulate you on your success in what? Fi musabaqati. So again, what is musa? Whenever we see mu, we should immediately get an idea whether it is ism fa'il or ism maf'ul. So it is having fat'a, so it is ism maf'ul. So it is actually going for form 3. So musabaqa is a competition. So I congratulate you on your success in the competition of hifzil. So fi musabaqati is your ism majroor wa huwa mudaf. Hifzi is your mudaf ilayhi wa huwa mudaf. And al-Qur'ani. What is al-Qur'ani? It is a final mudaf ilayhi. And what is al-Karimi? That is your naat. So I congratulate you on your success in the competition of Noble Quran. Wa tajweedihi. So what is tajweedihi? So tajweed comes from jawwada. Jawwada, yujawwidu. Masdar is tajweed, is to recitation. So competition of memorization of Quran and its recitation. Let's get to the next one. So Abdul Salam says, Ashkuruka ya Doktor. I thank you, O Doctor. Jazakallahu khairan. So jaza, it will have two mafulun bihis. The ka is coming as your mafulun bihi number 1 and khairan is your mafulun bihi number 2. So jazakallahu khairan. So Al-Mudarris, Ya Marwan, wazzi hadihi nusakha ala talaba. So what is it? The teacher is saying, Ya Marwan, wazzi'. So what is wazzi'? Is to distribute. It is fa'al amr. What is the fa'al? The root word, it is wazza'a. Wazza'a, yuwazzi'u, wazzi'. So hadihi is your maf'ulun bihi, and what is an-nusakha? It is your badal. That's why it is a fatha. So copies. So distribute these copies ala talaba. So what is talaba? Talaba is another plural for talibun. So we know one plural we've learned, it is tullabun. So this is the another form, which is talabatun ala talaba. So that is your badal and that is your plural for your talib. So Abdul Salam, ma hadha al-kitab ad-dakhmu allazi ma'aka ya doktor. So what is this big book? So what is dakhmu? So dakhmu means huge. So he's telling, what is this big book or huge book? That which allazi, that is your ism mawsula coming as a naat, and we know it needs a silatul mawsul, that is your ma'aka, zarf and mudaf ilayhi. So ma hadha al-kitab ad-dakhmu allazi ma'aka ya doktor. What is this huge book that you have, O doctor? Hada mu'jamun jami'iyyun. So what is this? Is mu'jamun, it is a dictionary. So dictionary what? Jami'iyun. This is a university dictionary. So that is your naat man'ud. So we know this ya as well. This is ya on nisba. Innahu. So inna again we know isman khabar. So look for isma inna mansub. Who is your isma inna? And what is khabar inna? Zu. So how do we know it's marfu? Because of wow. So innahu zu. We know zu always comes as a mudaf, so we need a mudaf ilayhi. So fawa'ida. So it is on the pattern of fa'ila mamnu' min sarf, so it will not take kasra. So all these things we need to remember. Innahu zu fawa'ida muta'addidatin. So why do we have muta'addidatin? Because fawa'ida is a kullu jama' mu'annas. So whenever you have a naat, so it will have to match it. So that's why it is a muta'addidatin. So it is having many benefits. So innahu again inna ya'ti bi. So we know ya'ti comes with bi means to bring. So it says, so truly it comes with full explanation for the words ma'a amsilatin kasiratin, with lots of example. Amsilatin is your plural for mathalun, examples. So kasiratin is your naat, so with lot of examples. Wayazkurul masail nahwiya, and it mentions different examples of the grammar rule. Wakazalik yahwi, so and like that yahwi, hawa yahwi, to contain, and like that it contains suwaran. So yahwi suwaran mulawwanatan. So what is mulawwanatan? Is form 2? Yes, it is form 2, and it is ism fa'il or ism maf'ul we need to say. So we can see fatha, so it is ism maf'ul. So and kazalik yahwi, and like that it contains colored pictures. Suwaran is your plural for surah, is a picture. Li tawdihi. So what is tawdihi? Again that is coming as a tawdihi, that is your bab taf'ilun, that is a masdar. What is the form? It is waddaha. So waddaha is to explain. So tawdihi is explanation. So and it contains colored picture for explanation. Ma'ani ba'dil kalimati. So what is ma'ani? That is your plural. So ma'ana is your singular. Ma'anin, that will be your plural manqus with tanween kasra. But when it becomes mudaf, what happens? It get a single kasra and the ya comes out. That's why it is ma'ani ba'di mudaf ilayhi wa huwa mudaf and al kalimati. So final mudaf ilayhi with al. So it also contains colored picture for explaining the meanings of some of the words. Ahmad says, fi kam mujalladin huwa. So why do we have jalladin after kam? Because we did in our last class that when harf comes before kam, then you can have a tam'iz which is majroor, and it's kamil istifhamiya. So this is not kamil khabariya. So fi kam mujalladin. So we could also say fi kam mujalladan. So both will be right. So let's go to mujalladin, what has been used. So what is mujalladin? Mujalladin, it comes from jallada, to bind something. To bind something. So here it means, so how many volumes or how many covers it comes in. Fi kam mujalladin huwa. What does teacher say? Al-Mudarris, fi mujalladaini dakhmaini. So what is mujalladaini? Again it comes from mujalladun is singular, mujalladani is dual, marfu, and because of harf jar it becomes mujalladaini, and dakhmaini is your naat. So in two thick or two big or two huge volumes. That's your again your form 2. That's your naat. Ibrahim, man muallifuhu. So again, what is muallifu? It comes from allafa. Allafa is to write or to author or to pen something. So it comes from allafa. So muallif is the one who writes it. So he's asking question, man muallifuhu. Who wrote it? So teacher says, allafahu. So it is written who, and again allafa, that is your form 2 fa'al. So we are looking for fa'il. So what is the fa'il here? Jami'atun marfu. So it is written by a group min ulama'il lughati, from the scholars of the language. And how do we translate? We said the group of scholars of the language wrote it. And then takes a pause. It says, Ahadara Hamidun. So did Hamid come? Hadara yahturu, to be present. Is Hamid present? Hamid says, Ha anaza, here I am. So we have seen this expression before. So if you want to draw an attention to say here I am, so you say Ha anaza. So Al-Mudarris says, Kathura ghiyabuka hadihil ayyam ya Hamid. So Kathura, again it is Bab. Karuma yakrumu, so it will always have dhamma and ayn kalima. So kasura yaksuru. So what is kasura means? To increase. So again we are looking for the fa'il. What is increased here? Ghiyabu. Ghiyabu is your fa'il, marfu. So ka is your mudaf ilayhi. Your absence has increased. Hadhil ayyama, these days, ya Hamidu. So what's the reason? Hamid says, Ja'a abi إلى المدينة المنورة الأسبوع الماضي. So what it says, Ja'a is to come. So my father has come to Medina. So to Medina, what is al-munawwarati? So again, munawwara, that is your form 2. What is the base form? The base form will be nawwara. Nawwara is to lighten something. To lighten something. So munawwirun is the one who enlightens, and munawwar is the thing which is enlightened. And because madinatun is your muannas, so you'll have a same naat, munawwaratun. So it is enlightened city. So my father has come to Madinatul Munawwara al-usbu al-madiya, so last week. Fa, again this fa is for the reason. Therefore kuntu, again kana yakunu, we know it needs ism and khabar. Where is ismu kana? Tu is your ismu kana, marfu. And what is the khabar kana? Mashghulan. So shaghala yashghulu, to be busy. Mashghulan, that he was busy. So I was busy bistiqbalihi. With istiqbal is to receive or to welcome. So I was busy in welcoming him. Wa khidmatihi, and in his service. And wa tawdi'ihi. So what is tawdi'ihi? Again you need to look. It is maf'ilun. So this is what is the form here. Base form, it will be wadda'a. So what does wadda'a means? It means to say goodbye or to say farewell. So he was busy receiving him, I was doing his service, and then I had to say goodbye to him. So again wadda'a. So if we quickly go back to the surah, wadduha wallayli iza saja ma wadda'aka. So Allah has not forsaken you. Allah has not said goodbye to you. So He's not forgotten about you. So normally when you say bye, so you say bye and you return to your own work. But here Allah has not forsaken Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So tawdi is saying goodbye or saying farewell. Mudarris says mahma. So again mahma, we know what is mahma. It is ismu shart jazimun tajzimu fi alayni. So again we are looking for your fa'alu shart. So what is fa'alu shart? Yakun. So yakun is your fa'alu shart majzum. It is in natural condition. Again when we looking for kana yakunu, looking for ism and khabar, what is the ismu kana here? As-sababu, the reason. And what is the khabar here? Mahma. Mahma is your khabar kana or khabar yakun. So whatever is the reason, fa. So why has fa come here? It's a fa'lu shart, and fa waqiyatu fi jawab shart, because there is a qad coming, and qad comes in the jumlatul fa'iliya. So faqad. So whatever be the reason, indeed you have what you have, fatat. So again we know fata yafutu will have the thing which is missed as a fa'il. So what he is missed? Durusun muhimmatun. So why do we have muhimmatun? It is because durusun is kullu jama muannas. So is this muhimmatun form 2? We say no. Even though it has got shadda, so it is form 4. So we got to remember that in the form 2, the ism fa'il will be mufa'ilun. Mufa'ilun. For example, allama, yu'allimu, mu'allimun, and mu'allamun. So Abdul Salam says, Anushagilul mukayyifa ya doktor. So what is nushaghilu? It comes from shaghala. Shaghala is to activate something. Shall we activate what? Al-mukayyifa. Again, al-mukayyifa, that means your air conditioner. So again, it comes from kayyifa. So both are form 2. So shall we on or switch on the air conditioner? Ya doktor, faqad ishtaddatil hararatu. So truly, ishtaddat is to raise or to increase. So what has increased? Hararatu. So the temperature has really increased. So shall I switch on the AC? Al-Mudarris says La mani'a. So what is La mani'a? So this La is La nafiyatu lil jins. So then again, we've done this before, just a quick revision that will have your ism and khabar. So ism will be mansoob. So here it means mani'a means I have no objection whatsoever, and khabar is mahzoof. So la mani'a. So I have no objection whatsoever. Yadkhulul muraqib. So the supervisor enters, and see here every time he comes he tells some competition. See what does he have now? Al muraqib ba'da tahiyyati. So what is tahiyyati? So again that is your masdar. So it's coming masdar. So we know it is taf'ilatun. So because of it, the ya, so they get a idgham, and the ayn kalima loses its vowel sign and gets a kasra. Ba'da tahiyyati. So what is tahiyyati? Tahiyyati is masdar because it is a naqis. So we know it's taf'ilatun. So because it had to be, there was 2 yas coming together, so we get an idgham, and the fa kalima will get a kasra. So that's why we have here ba'da tahiyyati. After the greetings, man arada an yashtarika fi muhayyam ash-shababi falyusajjal ismahu fi maktabi. So who? So again, man, we should immediately get to know that it is ismu shart jazimun tajzimu fi alayni. So we're looking for the fi'l shart, that is arada. So it's fi'l madi fi mahalli jazmin, and whoever wants, we know arada has a masdar mu'awwal coming as a maf'ulun bihi. So an yashtarika. So an plus fi'l mudari' mansoob. So whoever wished to participate fi muhayyama shababi. What is muhayyama? So again see muhayyama. Again it is ism maf'ul from hayyama. It is camp. Camp. Ash-shababi is youth. Youth camp. So whoever wants to participate in the youth camp, fal yusajjil. Then again, fa, why is fa coming here? Al-fa'u waqiyatu fi jawab ash-shart, because there is a lamu amar talab. So fal yusajjil. Again yusajjil, that is your fa'al mudari' form 2. Sajjala yusajjilu, to register. So he's telling, so whoever wishes to participate in the youth camp, he should register ismahu, so his name, fi maktabi, in my office. So what do we have? We have muhayyama and yusajjil. So you got 2. In fact, we got 3 form 2s here. So yakhruju. So he comes, he tells one sentence and he goes away. Al mudarris linasma al hadith al sharifa. لنسمع الحديث الشريف المسجل على الشريط. What does it mean? لنسمع. So again, that is this lam amar, because it is majzoom. So we should hear what? Al hadith sharifa, the noble hadith. Al musajjala. So what is al musajjala? That is ism maf'ul, that is recorded. So we should hear the hadith sharif that is recorded al sharit. Sharit is a tape recorder. So we'll hear to the hadith which is recorded in the tape recorder. Yushaghilul musajjila. So yushaghilu, again shaghala, to activate. So he activates al musajjila. So musajjila, that is your tape recorder, that things which records. So it is ism fa'il, and musajjal, the thing which is recorded, and musajjil is the thing which records. So we need to be clear with ism fa'il and ism maf'ul. So we got musajjil, that's your form 2, with fatha, that is your ism maf'ul, we need to remember. And we got al musajjil, which is ism fa'il, which records, and that is with the kasra. So we need to remember. Ya Ibrahim, la tukallim, that is la nahiya, kallama yukallimu, again that is your form 2, to talk, to speak. So it says tukallim, don't speak, zamilaka, to your colleague, wa anta tasma'u, while you're listening. So that wawul hal, so don't speak to your colleague while you're listening. Intahal hadisa, so the hadith ends. Linasma'ahu marratan ukhra, let's listen to it again. So they listen to the same hadith again. Yuwaffiqul musajjila, so again, what is yuwaffiqu? It is opposite of yushaghilu, it is to stop. One is to activate, and that is to stop. So he stops the tape recorder, al musajjila. So again, waqqafa, yuwaqqifu, and you got kallama, yukallimu, that's the base form, and yuwaffiqu comes from waqqafa. And the teacher says, iqra hadha al hadith ya Usama, so read this hadith ya Usama. So Usamatu, an Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu qal, so Abi Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, qabbala an-nabiyyu. So what is qabbala? Again it is form 2, so that means to kiss. Kissed whom? So we're looking for the fa'il. So an-nabiyyu sallallahu alayhi wasallam, so he kissed to whom? Al-Hasan ibn Ali. So Hasan, so why do we have Al-Hasan ibn? So what is missing here is the alif. So it should have been Al-Hasan ibn Ali, but that alif is dropped. So why? The reason why it's dropped is if the ibnun or ibna, it comes between two proper nouns, this alif is taken away, so it's not written. So we have Al-Hasan ibn Ali. So Prophet ﷺ, he kissed Al-Hasan radiyallahu anhuma, wa indahu al-Aqra ibn Habis, while he was with whom? Al-Aqra ibn Habis. So Al-Aqra and Habis, two proper nouns. Ibn is written without Hamzatul Wasl. فَقَالَ الْأَقْرَعُ, so and therefore Aqra'u said, what did he say? إِنَّ لِي عَشَرَةً مِّنَ الْوَلَدِ مَا قَبَّلْتُ مِنْهُمْ أَحَدًا, truly I have 10 children, but I have never kissed. مَا قَبَّلْتُ, again قَبَّلْتُ, that is your form 2, Madi, so I have never kissed one of them. فَنَظَرَ إِلَيْهِ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ صَلَّى اللَّهُ عَلَيْهِ وسلم, so Prophet ﷺ looked at him, وَقَالَ, and he said, Man la yarham la yurham. So again, man we know is mushart jazimun tajzim fi'alaini. So la yarham, this la nafiya, this is not la nahiya. So we got to remember that. So this yarham is majzoom because of man in a natural state. So whoever does not show mercy, la yurham, he will not be shown mercy. Again, that is your jawabu shart. So we don't need to have fa here. Muttafaqun alayh. Muttafaqun alayh. Al-Mudar says, Ahsanta. Maza fahimta min hadha al-hadith ya Usama. He says, you did very well. Ahsanta. Says form 4. So what did you understand? What did you understood from this hadith ya Usama? Usama says, Fahimtu, I understood. Fahim is your fa'il, tu is your fa'il. I understood from it that anna, that taqbil al-atfali amrun hasanun, that the kissing of the child, or kissing a child, your child, is amrun hasanun, is a good deed. So wa annahu, and it is yadullu ala shafaqati war rahmati. So it truly, it shows or it points towards what? shafaqati wa rahmati, compassion and mercy or kindness. So kissing of a child is a good deed. Truly it points towards the affection and love towards the child. So taqbil, that is your masdar from qabbala. Al-Mudarris, ahsanta ya Ahmadu, ma'na, see ma'na, the singular, ma'na qawl al-muhaddisina. So what is muhaddisina? So it comes from haddasa, yuhaddisu, muhaddithina. So one who narrates the hadith. So what is the meaning of the people who narrate the hadith? Muhaddisuna, that is your marfu, and we are looking for here majroor mudaf ilayhi. So this is muhaddisina. Inna hadha hadithun muttafaqun alayh. So what is the meaning of the muhaddisin who say inna hadha hadithun, truly this hadith is muttafaqun alayh? Ahmad says ma'anahu. So why do we have ma'ana? Why do we have this alif mamduda? Because we know ma'ana with alif maksura, when it gets a pronoun attached, the mir muttasil, it's changed into alif mamduda. So we say ma'anahu, its meaning. Anna hadal haditha. So that. So we know inna, anna, ka'anna. So we're looking for ismu anna. So hada is your ismu anna, al haditha is your badal, that is mansoob. Truly that this hadith, so rawahul muhaddisanil jalilani. So rawa, again it is for musanna, so it's alif alif musanna. So we're looking for the fa'il al muhaddithani. So the two great muhaddith, al jalilani, that is your na, that which means great. So it has been narrated by two great muhaddith, that is al-Imam al-Bukhari wal-Imam Muslimun. So again this, what is al-Imam al-Bukhari wal-Imam Muslimun? It is your badal for muhaddisani. Rahimahumallahu fi sahihima. So they both have narrated in their sahihima. See, sahih hun is singular, sahihani is your dual, sahihaini will be your majroor, and when it becomes mudaf, when a noon is dropped, so it becomes fi sahihaihima. So in their sahih narrations, that's what muttafaqun alay means. Al-Mudarris says ahsanta, you did very well. So inshallah here we're going to stop our class. So it's a bit long lesson, so we're going to finish our class number 55, and we're going to continue and learn few more interesting things and finish this lesson inshallah. Until then, keep writing, keep practicing. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.